How to make chana chaat. 2 cups chickpeas. Soak for 4 hours or overnight. Soak chickpeas. Pour 2 cups of water into the cooker. 1 teaspoon salt. Cover the lid and give 2 whistles. Open the lid after 2 whistles. Remove the water from the sieve and keep it. Make a paste of 1 onion. Make a tomato paste. Turn on the stove and heat the pan. 2 tablespoon oil. Mace, black and green cardamom, cinnamon, bay leaf. Put in the oil. Cumin seed. 1 teaspoon turmeric. 1 teaspoon red chili powder. Ginger garlic paste. Onion paste. Tomato paste. Cover for 2 minutes. 1 teaspoon spices powder. Coriander powder. Cumin powder. Half teaspoon salt. Add boiled chickpea water. Mix well. Keep it covered for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add chickpeas and stir. Keep covered for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, garnish with coriander and serve. Delicious, yummy.